Hello. So we started our quiche and we're going to make a little chocolate mousse for dessert. So this is going to be a quick and easy chocolate mousse. We've taken 4 tablespoons of butter. We've added a cup of milk and we're going to let this kind of bubble up a little bit. Once that gets going, we're going to stir it into a couple eggs and then add a little heavy cream and throw it all in a blender with some chocolate chips and then put it in the refrigerator. So we'll be back in a minute when we're ready for the next step. So our milk is bubbling nicely, and we're going to take this and we're going to put half of that into 2 eggs. Whisk it up. And then we're going to slowly pour it back into our rest of our milk here. This will keep our eggs from curdling. Slide it back over the heat, and we're going to add half a cup of heavy whipping cream. We're going to heat this up until it starts to bubble again, and we're going to add it to the blender. Okay, so our custard mixture is done. We're going to pour it in a bowl to make it a little easier to transfer. We're using our Lodge Duo. It's a great product from the trailer because it gives us a saucepan and a frying pan. Now we're going to transfer this into our blender. It's going to get loud. When it's all mixed together, we're going to pour it in glasses, put it in the fridge, and let it set up.